Juju's in the craft room, come and see. It's Mama Juju crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own sweet way. Come along.
Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the back 40. Okay, we have our week 49. Can you believe it? Week 49. Christmas is gonna be here in a few days. Isn't it wild? So will the first of the year. Oh my gosh. And a new year of our Margaret Miller Weekly Collage Challenge. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, so for week 49, we have a cityscape or urban life. Didn't do it. Textured paper, that's this. And what this is just a book paper that I gessoed. And then over top of it, I put my stain mixture, a word in a foreign language, and I have that. An image from a magazine, and I have this and this. And something you can wear, and I got this for the hat. And then the bonus is a holiday rubber stamping or sticker. And I have our flower here. Okay, so let's put this bad boy down. And you can draw your own conclusions to it. I have mine. Can't do any Chinese. Let's cut this off. Trim this right on up. Oh, I love them new scissors. Okay. That came out just like I wanted it. I'm going to trim this up. Before I put that in there, let's do it. There it is. That is our week 49. But I don't like it. Now, it pops here, but you can't see it here. So let's just do Cheryl's little trick. It's not going to lay on that glue stuff. Lord have mercy. See if my Stabilo does it. Yeah, my Stabilo. It's not letting me down. I want it kind of like an air bubble. See how it does that right there? Then we're going to get a little man to stand out just a little. A little trick that I learned from Cheryl at Ink Pulp. Y'all need to come on over and visit us in the morning time. She'll be in the morning. It is Monday, Wednesday. Right now it's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7:30 Central Standard Time. I don't know what it is in the other time zones, but 7:30 Central Standard Time. And at Inked Pulp, I-N-K-E-D, Pulp, P-U-L-P. And it's Arts Before Breakfast. There we go. That makes a whole world of difference. Look how it pops now. Look how he's a popping now. He is a popping. Look how cute stuff. He's so cute. Alright. There we go. That is our week 49 of the Margaret Miller Weekly Collage Challenge. Woohoo! Alright. Now, I thank y'all for spending your time with me. And it has been a wonderful, wonderful video. I'm going to put this right back in here. And I can't wait till the end of the year when we get week 52 and do our review and year in review, because I was looking at this book, y'all, and I am so proud of myself. I am really, really proud of myself. I have grown so much this past year in my mixed media and collage abilities, and I am just so proud. I really am proud of myself. And you know, it's okay to pat yourself on the back when you done a good job. You know what I'm saying? It's all right to do that. There we go. We got our date. And that was wrong. That should have been 0 and 1, right? This thing's not like I write my dates. Yep. Oh well. It'll be alright. Okay. That looks like December 10th. I won't know when I look back on it that I didn't stamp it right. So let's fix that. Get this over here. Let's do See, now it looks like I did that on purpose. All right. So we have our date stamped in our book. Thank you, Miss Beth. And we have that up. And that is wonderfully, wonderfully cute. All right. I'll see y'all on the next go round. Bye.